Hi there. Today about a complete guidance for better life that I'm offering you on my channel, Di's Affiliate Hub or How to Live. Let me ask you a few questions. Are you sick of getting nowhere in life? Sick of being a loser? Fed up with constant struggle? Fed up with not getting anywhere in life? Or need to turn things around quickly? On this channel, I've got everything you need to turn your life around quickly. I'm not talking about years or decades, so like how some people think about this. You might be like 30, 40, 50, 60 years old and you think, okay, it took me all this time to get to where I am now. And I mean, God, really, how long is it going to take me to redo it all, to start from scratch if I want to make changes? It doesn't work like that. You're never starting from scratch. You are who you are. You're bringing yourself the way you are. But you need to tailor yourself a bit. You need to make a few changes. You need to make a few alterations. You need to sort of cut a bit, you need to add a bit, you need to adjust a bit and make adjustments wherever and whenever is necessary. It's not going to take you a lifetime, it's not going to take you even years, regardless of your age. I'm 56 and what I've got is experience. I've got plenty of experience with this life and I've got a passion for human nature, starting life as it is. And I dedicate a lot of my time to doing that and I've started very early in life. This is what I can offer you. And what I can offer you also on my channel, Di's Affiliate Hub, How to Live, is 110 videos so far and more coming all the time about all different topics that concern life, main issues in life that you should be concerned with if you want to turn things around quickly, if you want change, make changes in your life quickly. And it is possible. And all my videos are sort of 5 to 10 minutes long because I know that, we get distracted very quickly and we don't focus on one thing for very long. And because, learning about life, about how life actually functions, how our system that we've got, that we are born with, functions, and how to make the best out of what we've got. It's not like a maths, it's not like an exact science, you know what I mean? It's not like you're saying you take this number and this number, you add and subtract and so on, and you get a result. There is always this result. It's not like that at all, and each one of us is totally different, isn't it? As much as we want to be the same and we think we are the same, and we are in certain ways, but of course everybody is totally unique. And I always say this, nobody can tell you what's the best for you. Nobody can tell you how to lead your life. So don't take any recipes out of anywhere out there and just follow them blindly. Just, start with yourself. And what you need to make changes in life, you feel like you're just watching your life slipping by and, not getting anywhere, as I said before. Some people even feel like they are a loser, you know what I mean? Some people are so fed up with their life. Some people think they can't go on living like this anymore. And so on and so on. We all come to the point in life when we say, this is just really not going anywhere. But the good news is that, changes can be made and you can start straight away and the effects will come into life very quickly. They will not be dramatic, and the changes you're making are gradual, as I always say, step by step by step, day by day by day. But in the end of the day, and sooner than you think, the result will be dramatic. So I do suggest to you that you use my videos, that you use my channel as some sort of a friend, somebody who helps you think about the main life issues, how to arrange your life in a way that will suit you the best, and it will help you achieve some sort of shifts in your mind, in your brain, in your mindset that are necessary if you want to make changes. Because as they always say, and it's true, and I have to repeat it because it's true, you do need to change inside first before you can actually change what's around you. And there is one more rule that I just want to put down here straight away now. This is something that is totally unnegotiable. That if you want to be successful, in working with me, by watching my videos and taking advantage of the programs I'm recommending under each video, you need to take full responsibility for your life. That's it. It's not non-negotiable. There is no other way around it. Any victim story is not going to cut it, okay? I will leave you with this for today. Please do come visit me often, every day. Open up your mind. Do a few deep breaths, maybe a little bit of deep breathing before you start watching, and try and be as open-minded as possible. And you will achieve some shifts in your subconscious mind that will spur you to much better things and more options that will open up for you, and the life that will suddenly become everything that's always been meant to be, a beautiful, beautiful thing to enjoy. And so enjoy your day, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you.